Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Riot account must be registered and active. Once done, check if your region is eligible and that your email is unique and verified. Next, enable two-step verification to reduce application friction. It matters for security and approval rates. After those checks, sign into your account page and prepare to request Pbe access. Don't pause on setup. Proceed directly to the application form so the process stays fresh and consistent. You fill out the Pbe application carefully, answer required fields, and explain recent play behavior when prompted, because Riot uses activity data to prioritize invites. Once submitted, make sure your Riot client is up to date and clear local cache to prevent client conflicts later. While you wait for approval, confirm your account settings and linked platforms, making sure summoner name and region match. If you get an invite, follow the link in the email and prepare to download the Pbe client immediately. You accept the invite, download the Pbe client, and install it in a dedicated folder so it won't conflict with your live client. Then log in with your verified Riot account and allow the patch to complete. Test by loading a short match or the practice tool. If you encounter errors, try one key troubleshooting tip. Clear local cache and DNS, then reinstall the Pbe client. Make sure your email and two-step verification are still valid, because revalidation often resolves invite or login blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.